Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Is your replacement 5-inch M2 SATA or NVMe? Once confirmed, attach the new drive with a USB to SATA adapter or install into the M2 slot. Make a quick backup of critical files and note partition sizes so you can match them later. Then download a reputable cloning app and close unnecessary programs. Once done, open Disk Management to initialize the new SSD as GPT if your system uses UEFI, and leave it unformatted for cloning. You now run the cloning software and carefully select the existing system disk as source and the new SSD as target. Make sure the target has enough capacity. If larger, choose to resize partitions during cloning so you use the extra space. Opt for partition alignment to 1 MB modern standard to preserve performance. If your system boots UEFI, confirm the new drive is GPT and includes the EFI partition. Start cloning and watch progress. Do not interrupt power or data transfer and allow the process to finish fully. You power down and replace the old drive with the cloned SSD or move the new drive into the primary bay. Once installed, enter BIOS or UEFI and set the new SSD as the first boot device. Also enable OSI if it was disabled. Boot into the OS and verify trim is enabled and the drive shows full capacity, then update firmware and storage drivers. If the system fails to boot, check that you use the correct boot mode, UEFI versus legacy. Run a boot repair to restore the Windows bootloader, or reclone if partitions are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.